Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Today I decided to make onion rings and French fried chicken. You will realize that the onion rings are somewhat different. You will see throughout the video how I did it. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Let's get right into the video. The first thing I did was season my chicken. Once I seasoned it, I left it to marinate. After that, I went ahead, got my onions, stripped them off, chopped them up, washed them. And I now have my flour, egg, and milk. So I'm now going to pour my milk in my egg and combine this together. And this is to make the batter. So once I did that, I went ahead and started seasoning my flour. I am now going to make my batter, so I will pour the egg mixture in the container with the flour, and I'm now just combining these together. So I forgot to add baking powder in my flour, so I am now adding this. And this is how I want my butter to look. It's now time to add your onion rings to the butter. I was trying to shake it, but that didn't work, so I used my tongue to just turn it. I had a little oil to my frying pan, and I just had my onion rings in it once it got hot. And my onion rings are done, so I'm now adding another set. This is how they came out. They were so good. I am now going to try some oats on these because I saw that you can use breadcrumbs. I didn't have any, so I used oats. So once I blend it, it came out like this, and I just add my onion rings to it. So comparing these ones to the first ones, these were a lot crisper, and so I rather these ones. So these are both of them together, and now it's time to prepare my chicken. So I just added these chicken pieces to the mixture that I had. I've never really done fried chicken like this, but this turned out pretty well. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.